Good afternoon, y'all, from Arizona. Welcome to my channel, Nugget Shooterette Expeditions, for those of you that may be new. And today I'm going to do another cooking video. And that is going to be peach cobbler. I had talked about making this cobbler for some time. I just hadn't had a chance to get around to doing it. But today I'm going to make peach cobbler. So, I guess basically, let's get started. Okay, so this is the simple ingredients we're going to need for this peach cobbler. We have some all-purpose flour, 2 cans each of 29-ounce peaches, and you can also use frozen. I'm sure you probably could even use fresh peaches, but I'm using 2 29-ounce cans of peaches. We're going to have some white bread, a stick of butter, which equals half a cup of butter, 1 egg, and this is actually one of my eggs because I have chickens. I have fresh eggs. And you're going to need some sugar, 1.5 cup of sugar, and some cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon, and a tablespoon, and of course a mixing bowl to mix the batter in. But I'm going to get back with y'all and we're going to start the first step. Okay, one of the first steps we're going to do is, before you start, is you're going to want to set your oven to 350. So you want to set the oven to 350 and get it heated up. And then I'll just go over here and show you. I've drained my peaches. You want to make sure that you drain the canned peaches or whatever peaches you may use. You just want to make sure that they are nice and drained. So those are the first 2 steps. Preheat the oven to 350 and drain your peaches. Okay, once your peaches are drained, you can place your peaches in a greased 11x7 casserole dish. I like to use cast iron most of the time because I love my cast iron. So I will be using my 12-ounce cast iron skillet. And so place them in the pan, greased pan, make sure it's greased. And we'll get to the next step. Okay, the next step we're going to do here is you're going to need a knife. And I forgot my knife. Of course I did. You're going to need 7 pieces of white bread. And basically what you want to do is cut the crust off like this. I'm just doing a couple pieces to give you an idea what I'm talking about. But cut the crust off of each piece of bread like this. And I'm going to save this for my chickens, so I need a little bowl to put it in. I'll just stick some in here. And what you're going to do from there is you cut the crust off, and you want to cut your pieces of bread in 4 strips. This bread seems a little short for some reason. But anyways, so you're basically cutting it in 4 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, well, that piece broke, but that's no big deal. So you got strips of bread like this. So you get what I'm saying about that with the bread. And hopefully you can see what I'm doing right here. What we're going to do is, after we cut the strips of bread, we're going to place them on top of the peach cobbler, covering the peach cobbler. That's what you want to do here. Cover all the peaches up with the strips of bread. I gotta cut me some more bread. I have a limited space in my kitchen, y'all, so I hope that the way I'm filming is turning out okay for you guys. And also my lighting in here is a little funky too, so I'm trying to avoid that problem in the video also. So bear with me. Again, like I say, you're going to cut it in 4 strips. and place over the peach cobbler as I'm doing. And again, that was 7 pieces of white bread. I'm going to finish this up, and we'll get to the next step. Okay, as you can see, that's what it looks like after you have put your slices of bread on top of the cobbler itself. And now I'm going to show you, again, I'm limited for counter space, so bear with me. I'm working on this how to film in my kitchen thing. But hopefully y'all can see me here. I hope. Again, I apologize. Bear with me, y'all. Okay, so basically what you want to do is get a mixing bowl, and we got our 1.5 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of sugar. You're going to place it in the mixing bowl, and we are going to need 1 egg, throw that away. Excuse me as I get a paper towel for my fingers. So we have the 1.5 cup of sugar, the 1 egg, and then we're going to need 1/2 cup of butter melted, which is 1 stick of butter. So 1/2 cup of butter melted. And 2 tablespoons of flour. 1 and 2. And then we're going to mix that up real good. So you got the 1.5 cups of sugar and the 1 egg and the 2 tablespoons of flour. And you want to mix it up real good. Oh, and don't forget, and the 1/2 cup of melted butter. So again, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Alright, pretty much it's mixed up good, as you can see. See, the batter's all nicely mixed. It's real simple to make. Okay, so now you want to pour it all over the batter, all over the bread. Having issues holding the bowl up a little bit, but you get the idea. Pour all the batter all over. I'm hoping y'all can see once I get the bowl out the way though. I'm going to need a scraper thingy. But basically, like I said, you're going to have a little bit still in the bowl, but I will get it out. But you pour the batter all over. I need a spatula thingy. Oh, I got one right here. I didn't realize it. Okay, I think I got most of it out. So I just smoothed the batter all over. So basically you got the idea there. And I'll get back with y'all for the next step. Okay, the next step, which is the last step, basically after you've poured the batter over your strips of bread, is you're going to need 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm just going to put it in my little bowl here to mix. And you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And what you want to do is just mix the sugar and cinnamon good together. in a little bowl or whatever, however you like to do it. So now you have your cinnamon and your sugar mixed together. So the last step is to basically sprinkle it all over the bread and batter. Very simple and very delicious, by the way. Bill loves this stuff. So as you see, I'm just sprinkling it all over. Basically, there you go. And now we put it in the oven at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes or until golden brown. Can't wait to see it when it gets out. It's going to smell heavenly in here. Okay, y'all, the peach cobbler is done. It smells delicious in here, so let's take it out the oven. Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that, y'all. I guess you can see that. It's all well, daggone it, my towel fell down. Sorry about that. Anyways, look at that peach cobbler. It's all bubbly. It smells so good. And basically, I like to eat some vanilla ice cream on it or whipped cream. And you know, you can actually, I don't know if in my neck of the woods, I don't know if y'all do that, but I'm sure some of you heard of it. You can actually put a little milk on your hot cobbler. That's good too. But I like ice cream or any of that. Or just plain by itself is delicious plain by itself. So there is easy peach cobbler. Very easy to do. So I'm done with the cooking video. So y'all know what that means. Like, subscribe, ring that notification bell if you enjoy these videos. And have a great day, y'all. I'm going to enjoy some peach cobbler. Bye.